Today I will explain how to upload leads into Callyzer and how many ways are there for it. So there are basically three ways to add the leads. First is single add leads. You can select add lead option and add single leads. Second option is bulk upload. You can upload bulk leads from import leads. Third is insert leads from the mobile app. You can upload it from here. It is very easy to upload bulk leads on Callyzer. You can add bulk leads in CSV format. To add bulk leads, just click on import leads and download the sample. We have only two fields are requiring, first name and phone number. Others are optional. So you can add these details and save the file and upload. Second option is if you already have the CSV file data, you can upload your own CSV and you can map your fields with Callyzer field. So here I am uploading my CSV file. Here I will map my fields with Callyzer field. So in name option, I will select first name option. In email, I will select email option. For contact number, I will select phone number. For address, address one. And for employee, assign to option. So this is how I will map relevant Callyzer fields with CSV files. Later on, I will select on next button. See, if there is any invalid fields, Callyzer will highlight that rows so I can correct the CSV and import again. But if I want to ignore those rows and import, I can click on this button. Here you can decide the import rules. So if I will select on ignore duplicates, all duplicates entries will be ignored. If you will select on override duplicates, all duplicates entry will override for the same numbers. If you will select update empty fields of duplicates, then it will be update only those fields for duplicates who were empty in previous data. Here you can select assign options. If I select all employees, it will be assigned to all employees. If you will select specific employees, you can assign to any specific group or you can assign to any specific employee. One more additional feature is given here. You can simply auto split leads to your employees with auto split leads. Here you can decide the assign lead rules. If you will select ignore duplicates, if one lead is already assigned to any employee and you select the ignore duplicate option, then it will be ignored and not reassigned to anything. If you will select override duplicates, so if one lead is already assigned to any employee and you select this option, then it will not display to the previous employee and reassign to the new employee. If you will select keep existing and assign to new, it will display to both previous and newly assigned employees. Here you can give the different tags like hot leads, new leads. Based on area, you can give the tags like Mumbai leads, Ahmedabad leads. Based on industry like real estate industry, financial industry, etc. You can give that various tags for that particular sheet. Here you can decide the lead status. For the fresh lead data, there is no status required. Now click on next button. Here you can See the summary of the CSV and the option you selected. After reviewing it, start import and then data will be imported and it will be displayed in the manage lead option. For small data like 1000 or 2000 leads, it is quick. But for large data, it takes time to import the leads. Once the import is done, you will get the confirmation in email with the summary.